Today, Waterlilies does not look as Monet intended. Monet was emphatic that his paintings from this period remain unvarnished. The removal of this varnish layer will improve the appearance of the painting and restore Monet's intended emphasis on the painting's surface.
Conservation treatment will not only reestablish Monet's aesthetic choices, but also result in an enhanced understanding of the painting.
The Bank of America Art Conservation Project provides grants to nonprofit cultural institutions to conserve historically or culturally significant works of art. Locally, we've supported 2 pieces of art right here in our own community through this program, both at the Portland Art Museum. The Roy Lichtenstein breaststroke sculpture, and this year, Claude Monet's painting Waterlilies, circa 1915. At Bank of America, we believe in supporting our communities by partnering with nonprofit cultural institutions to drive engagement, promote cultural sustainability, and make the arts more accessible and inclusive. Art conservation ensures the positive impacts of art and history can continue to benefit our communities for generations to come. The Portland Art Museum plays a critical role in enriching our community and revitalizing our downtown corridor. Bank of America has a long-standing history of investing in Portland Art Museum and the arts in our community, and we're thrilled to continue that legacy by supporting the restoration of Waterlilies.
We invite you to join us on Waterlilies' conservation journey. Through a series of videos over the coming months, as well as an installation at the museum, you can learn more about this process and follow along as we conserve Monet's masterpiece.